Right, I'm finally for relaxing now. Yeah, Rasta, bring that stuff for me now. That's so I want now. I would just right man out the blouse and skirt. Thank you, sir. IRS. I'm sorry, man. Let them babbling boy, I reach out to me. I don't know why I'm off from me. I want the bomb. Me owe them $20,000. Me don't file tax for 5 years. I want the bomb. Yo, I want one of someone. Bomb. You know, I'm gonna call my brother Scully now, because this never make no sense of blouse and skirt. Hello, Wayne Scully here. How may I help you? Yo, Scully. Hey, Danny. How you doing, my friend? Yeah, my brother. I can hear you. Yo, I get a raw set from my IRS at Tabas and me owe them $20,000. 20 blouse and skirt $1,000 at Tabas and me owe them 5 years. That's a long time. That's a lot of returns that you haven't filed. Yeah, man. 5 of the bottom at Tabas and 5 tax. So, what going on, man? Yeah, so Danny, how it works is that every time you earn to report that income to the IRS. Then my youth, every time you get paid, them take out tax out of my pay. Them not pay tax then, man? Yes, so Danny, you understand that they took money out of your pay is by filing the returns to see if they owe you money or you owe them money. Yo, from that Jamaica work, I said go. Them work, them take out my tax out of the pay, out of my pay, and that's it. Jamaica has its own system, Danny. But in America, you're required to, again, file your taxes at year end by April 15th. Oh, fair and different. So what am I supposed to do then? You have to file the returns, Danny. Then suppose we just run go back to Jamaica and file tax. Not filing returns is a crime, essentially. Oh. Alright, you know what? Now I make an appointment for come see you, man. Give me about 2 days. I call you back here, sir. Because the whole thing has stressed me out right now to blow and stuff. Yo, I call you back here, sir. Alright, cool. Look at me. We'll talk to you soon. Hey guys, Danny didn't know you had to file returns, but you know that, right? If you have unfiled returns, give us a call. We can see if you qualify for a refund. If not, and you owe the IRS, we can help you resolve that too.